guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a special guest with me, and that's my mom. She's going to be showing you how she makes her Puerto Rican chilled shrimp salad, and it came out so amazing. To learn this recipe, keep on watching. All right, so these are the main ingredients in the salad. Okay, what do we have here?
So we have half of the green bell pepper, half of the red pepper. We have 1 clove of garlic, half a bunch of cilantro, half a red onion, 3 limes cut in half, 1 plum tomato, and 1 jalapeno. This ingredient is to taste. I just like spicy, but you don't have to add it.
Okay, and you chop the cilantro just rough chop, right? Everything is pretty small chopped. As you can see, you can't really tell through the camera, but everything is chopped very small. You're also going to need some white vinegar, some salt. Sea salt is preferred in this recipe, but we don't have any, so we're using this kind of salt. Pepper is optional. I like pepper, so we're gonna put a little bit of pepper in, and some extra virgin olive oil. All right, here's the star of the dish, our shrimp. We use extra large raw shrimp, the 2630, and I went ahead and deveined them and cut them in halves. As you can see, they're all in halves. And the next step for us to do is boil some water with salt to taste, because we're gonna boil these shrimp, we're gonna cook them in the water. So we'll be right back. Once the water comes to a full boil, we'll add the shrimp in. Okay, our water has boiled, and we are going to start adding the shrimp in. And we don't want to overcook them. We just want to make sure they're all cooked, right? And then what are we gonna do?
And we're gonna cool them off a little bit to mix it with the vegetables.
Okay. So how long do you think this will take?
Pretty much we're gonna see when it turns pink, and then we're gonna kind of see if it's already cooked. 2, 3, 5 minutes the most.
Okay.
You don't want to overcook them because they get chewy.
Okay. So we'll be back in 5 minutes. Okay, we're gonna strain the shrimp.
Okay.
And then we're gonna put them in a bowl, and we're gonna let them cool, because we don't want hot shrimp in our cool, fresh vegetables. So I would suggest putting, if you want them to get cold quickly, put them in a fridge for a few minutes. So I'm gonna add my shrimp to the freezer, and I'm gonna leave them for 5 minutes. So now we are going to mix up all the ingredients. We're adding the red bell pepper, the green bell pepper, the onion, the garlic, the cilantro, my favorite part,
These 3 ingredients we're gonna add at the end.
the tomato and the jalapeno are at the end,
to taste,
as well as the lime.
No, we're gonna add the limes now.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna add the salt. And it's to taste, and we're gonna keep tasting for flavor till we find the right flavor.
Pepper.
And I'm gonna use 2 capfuls of white vinegar.
So the shrimp have been in the freezer for like 7 minutes and they're cool. So now we're adding it to our veggie mixture.
This is a cold salad.
Yes, it's supposed to be served cold. Now we're flipping it and turning it and marrying all those flavors together. And we have some rice and some tostones frying right now. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put this in the fridge until everything else is done. And then we're gonna show you what we add at the end to make it more special. Here we have Poppy helping out in the kitchen, making some tostones. This is his favorite part, right?
Yay. We're gonna be serving soon. I'm gonna add the tomatoes now. You don't want to add it at the beginning because the tomato has a lot of water, and you don't want to put all that water in the salad. See? We're gonna cut some avocados as well. But first, let me just mix them all together. And this is gonna give it a nice color and flavor. So we're gonna go ahead and cut one avocado, I'm sorry. Beautiful.
Yeah, that is nice.
So I'm gonna cut it like this. And then with the same spoon, you're just gonna go over it.
Under it.
Right under it, yeah. And take the avocado from the skin. We'll do the other half.
And then we'll be right back. Okay, and here we have the finished product. My mom's Puerto Rican shrimp salad. We made some tostones and some white rice to serve with some mayo ketchup on the side. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe with me, my mom, and Poppy, and we will catch you on the next video. Bye. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this recipe, please follow my page at Cooking with Kelly Michelle on Instagram. Make sure to like my video, and if you use my recipe, please tag me in all of your photos and videos. Thanks so much for watching.